To begin using a Plus500 demo account, start by opening the Plus500 website, where you'll find the Try Free Demo option. Simply click on this to proceed. Next, enter your email address and password. Then click Create Demo Account, which will prompt a verification code to be sent to your email. Once you've entered the verification code, your demo account will be created, allowing you to trade in futures, just as you would with a live account. With your demo account open, you can switch between accounts by selecting the demo account option, which should be clearly labeled as Demo Mode. From here, you can search for any futures you're interested in buying, for example, typing S&P 500 inches into the search bar and selecting it from the results. You can then choose to buy or sell, enter the number of contracts, select your order type, and utilize options such as stop loss, trading stop, or take profit. Finally, click the Place Order button to complete the transaction. This process allows you to practice trading with a demo account, mirroring the experience of a live account, and helping you to become more familiar with the platform.